to purchase it. Number 3 is FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge 3D printer is an optimal choice when creating sensational shoes. This outstanding machine offers a world of possibilities with its cutting-edge features. Imagine stepping into a world of boundless creativity where your footwear dreams come to life. With its advanced technology, the FlashForge printer combines precision and speed effortlessly. It zips through prints at lightning-fast speeds, ensuring you won't wait long to see your shoe designs take shape. And that's not all. The printer's accelerated acceleration of 8,000 plus mm/s superscript 2 will have you jumping for joy. Equipped with a user-friendly interface, the printer speeder pad is a game-changer. Its vibrant 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen makes navigating the printer's settings a breeze. But what truly sets this printer apart is its sleek robotic arm design. Crafted from top-tier 3K grade materials, it exudes strength and durability. Embrace the freedom to experiment with various filaments thanks to the bimetal 300°C high-temp nozzle. From PLA to TPU, ABS to PETG, this printer opens up a world of filament possibilities, allowing you to bring your shoe designs to life with style. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below.